Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to create an alert using the text to voice method in Indition Alerts. So here we are in our dashboard page, and let's start off by clicking on the text to voice communication method. Next, let's decide who to notify. You can select all your contacts, or you can select on a specific contact list. For this example, let's go with all contacts. Next, we have the option to create a new message, or we can choose from a pre-existing message. Since this video is to teach you how to create a text-to-voice alert, we will keep it as new. Now we can scroll down a little bit to our message content, and you can see to the right of that a character count, notifying you how many characters are in your message. So for the message, let's put in Indition Teams. There's a thunderstorm and flash flood warning in effect for the entire day. Please stay home, stay safe, and work from home. We will notify you if anything changes. Thank you, HR Department. Then after the message, we can click on the Send Now button, and then you'll see a success message pop up notifying you that our alert has been created, and then it will redirect us to the Manage Alert page where we can see that our alert has been sent. On the Manage Alert page, you are also able to update the alert, view the alert, and view the contacts in the alert. With the text-to-voice option, the recipients will be receiving a phone call that will translate the message to them in voice, so they get notified that way. And now you know how to create an alert using the text-to-voice method in Indition Alerts. Thanks again for watching the video, and please leave a thumbs up if you found the video useful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to know when a new video drops. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.